my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my...
What's this? Poke.
What? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do try to sit in my chair properly. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, which goes to the reason why I'm doing this particular video. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today we are doing a little wig tips, wig chat video. And the name and title of this video is
Do Men Wear Wigs?
And so let's explore that. The simple answer is yes. Men do wear wigs for a myriad of reasons, okay? So men do wear things called toupees. It's basically a female topper, okay? I will add some pictures and things up of male toupees, especially some of the like newer ones. You can have a toupee that's more structured like a topper where it could clip in, or you do have ones where they glue on. Men can wear a full wig. They do have full male wigs that are simply more masculine-esque styles, and I will put in some pictures of those as well. You know, they have the same issues that we do: thinning hair, hair loss, you know, confidence, things like that. So they do have full male wigs. The other thing that you might see is, I remember watching this episode of America's Next Top Model. It wasn't even an episode, it was like a commentary about the episode, and I had forgotten that they had done like a beard, like a lace front beard, and so I will put that in up here and you can look for it if you want to. I'm not positive what season it was, but they actually did like a fake lace front beard, and when they first started putting it on, I was like, really? You know, they were gluing it on, but it looks really good once they were done. I have seen men get sort of lace front, full frontal lace, you know, glued down wigs too, and so I will put some photographs of that as well. And men, they also like to wear styles that are traditionally for women, whether that's because they're doing drag, whether that's just because that's what they like, whether that's because, you know, they just want to do sort of some type of self-expression. The wig game is really expanding, and I feel like we need to expand our minds in general of who wears wig, what they wear, what wig is supposed to be for what purpose. But like I said before, it's really important to realize that, you know, men have just as many reasons to wear wigs as women do. And, you know, it's not as accepted, and I'm glad that things are moving along. I wish they'd move along a little bit faster, because like the selections for specifically masculine male wigs are not prominent really at all. But we are getting there. Again, I think we're getting there too slow, but I don't get to determine that. But someone had asked me a question because I was looking for some male models, because I want to review some male wigs and put them on males, and I was looking for some male models, and they're like,
well, men don't wear wigs.
I'm like, yes, they do.
And you can, and you might like it. So that's just my quick little wigs tip video. Yes, men wear wigs just for the same reason as us, and it's fine if they want to. Just like if they want to wear makeup or high heels, or if we want to wear, you know, whatever, something traditionally male, it's fine.
Hey, we don't need to box anybody in here, okay?
Well, let me know your thoughts down below on this video. I hope you like this video topic. It just came to me and I thought it would be something kind of fun. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.
Video.
I have my own chorus behind me. I really do. See? Bye.